how to get what you want from a woman without begging or chasing. Most men think attracting a woman is about luck or looking like a Hollywood heartthrob. But what if I told you 99% of the time it has nothing to do with luck or genetics and everything to do with understanding her psychology? See, women don't operate on logic the way men do. They don't respond to begging, chasing, or constantly proving yourself. In fact, the more you do those things, the more she pulls away. So, how do you flip the script? How do you get her to want to give you exactly what you desire, whether it's her time, attention, affection, or commitment? The answer is not what you think, but once you understand it, everything changes. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got something special for you. A free ebook, The Female Mind Control Handbook, revealing the hidden secrets to making any woman crave you. Grab it now, link in the description or pinned comment. Now let's break it down. 1. The illusion of choice. Why less effort gets more results? Most guys overinvest in women. They text first, plan everything, and make themselves too available. They believe effort wins a woman over, but in reality it's the opposite. Women are wired to chase what they think they can't have. That's why they fantasize about the mysterious bad boy instead of the guy who worships them. It's why they lose interest in the man who's always there, but obsess over the one who's slightly out of reach. The secret: create the illusion of choice. Instead of outright asking for what you want, imply that she's the one making the decision, while you're still in control. Instead of, "Can I take you out on Friday?" say, "I'll be at this rooftop spot Friday, join if you're free." Instead of texting her constantly, pull back, let her wonder where you are. By doing this, you make her feel like she's in control, but in reality, she's following your lead. And when a woman believes she's choosing you of her own free will, she's far more likely to give you exactly what you want. 2. Emotional currency, the only thing women truly trade. In money, looks, status, none of these are as powerful as emotional currency. Women aren't drawn to what you have, they're drawn to how you make them feel. If you can create a roller coaster of emotions, excitement, tension, mystery, and comfort, she will always want to be around you. How do you do it? Master the art of push-pull. Compliment her 1 minute, tease her the next, keep her guessing. Use storytelling instead of boring facts. I travel a lot. Last year, I got lost in a foreign city, and a local had to help me find my way back. Crazy experience. Be the prize. Make her feel like she's earning your attention, not that you're just handing it over. The more you understand her emotional triggers, the easier it becomes to get exactly what you want, without resistance. 3. The art of indifference. Why caring too much kills attraction. Here's the hardest pill to swallow. The more you want something from a woman, the less likely you are to get it. Women can sense neediness a mile away, and neediness instantly kills attraction. Think about it. The guy who desperately texts her every day, she ignores. The guy who seems unbothered and disappears, she chases. It's not about being mean, it's about being indifferent to the outcome. If she senses that your world doesn't revolve around her, she starts to wonder, why isn't he chasing me? Why isn't he trying harder? What does he have that other guys don't? And that's when she starts trying to win you over. Stop explaining yourself. Stop worrying about whether she likes you. Stop being nice just to get something in return. Be a man with options, a mission, and a life outside of her, and watch how quickly she starts giving you exactly what you want. The subtle power of silence. Why saying less gets you more. Most men think talking more is the key to winning a woman over. They try to impress her with stories, jokes, and long texts, but the real power lies in saying less. Silence creates tension, and in that tension a woman starts to fill in the blanks with her imagination. Example, she asks you, "What kind of girls do you usually go for?" Most guys panic and start listing traits. The high-value man smirks, pauses, and says, "I have a type, but I don't reveal it easily." Boom. Now she's dying to know. She leans in closer. You've created mystery, and mystery makes you irresistible. The same applies to texting. Most guys, "Hey, how was your day?" High-value man, "You'd laugh if I told you what just happened." Then he goes silent. Now she's hooked. She's thinking about you, waiting for your response. Silence isn't weakness. It's a tool. Use it to create space, build intrigue, and make her chase. The power of walking away. Why she'll chase you when you stop chasing her. If you only remember one thing from this, let it be this. A woman values what she has to work for. If she knows you'll always be there, she takes you for granted. If she feels like she could lose you, she starts working to keep you. The moment you stop chasing, she starts chasing you. So if she's pulling away, don't beg, don't plead, don't chase, just walk away. If she truly values you, she'll come running back. Final takeaway. Women are not won over by chasing, convincing, or over-explaining. They're drawn to men who create the illusion of choice. Master emotional currency. Stay indifferent to the outcome. Use silence as a weapon. Know when to walk away. Want to master this game? Download my free ebook, The Female Mind Control Handbook, link below, and start making women crave you today. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. The man who is willing to walk away always wins. Women respect men who have options, men who aren't afraid to leave when they're not getting what they want. Think about it. Have you ever been too nice to a woman, always there for her, always trying to make her happy? And what happened? She lost interest. But the moment you stopped trying and focused on yourself, she came running back. Why? Because scarcity creates value. When a woman senses that you're willing to walk away, she starts to fear losing you. It's why the guy who ignores her texts gets her attention, while the one who double texts gets ghosted. It's why the man with a mission attracts her, while the one who makes her his entire world repels her. So the next time she starts playing games or disrespects you, don't chase her. Walk away, because the man who walks away always comes back with the power. 6. Mastering the reward system. How to train her to treat you righty. Here's a little-known secret about human psychology. People repeat behaviors that get rewarded. If you reward bad behavior, she'll keep doing it. If you reward good behavior, she'll do more of it. But most men get this backwards. If she cancels on you, you chase her harder. If she disrespects you, you try to prove your worth. If she pulls away, you double text. All this does is teach her, I can treat him however I want, and he'll still stick around. Instead, flip the script. If she makes an effort, reward her with attention. If she treats you well, make her feel appreciated. If she plays games, pull back and let her feel the loss. This isn't about manipulation, it's about setting a standard. When she knows that you're not afraid to walk away, and that you only give attention to those who earn it, she'll do whatever it takes to keep you. And that, my friend, is how you get exactly what you want. 7. The art of being unavailable. Why? Less access means more desire. Let me ask you something. Who do women obsess over? The guy who's always available, always texting, always waiting around, or the guy who seems just out of reach? Think about celebrities, athletes, or even that one guy in your friend group who never tries too hard, Women chase them because they feel rare. Scarcity creates demand. Most guys make the mistake of being too accessible. They drop everything for her. They respond instantly. They make her their priority. And what happens? She gets bored. See, when a woman knows you're always there, she stops valuing you. But when she's not quite sure, when you're just a little out of reach, when she has to work for your time, you become irresistible. Next time she asks you to hang out, instead of saying, yeah, whenever you want, say, I might be free later, I'll let you know. Instead of texting her all day, make her wonder where you are. Instead of always being available, let her feel what it's like to miss you. The moment she feels like she might lose you, she'll start doing whatever it takes to keep you. 8. Confidence is king. Why women are drawn to men who own the room. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. Confidence beats everything. It beats looks. It beats money. It even beats game. Why? Because confidence changes the way people see you, including women. Think about it. Have you ever seen a guy who wasn't particularly good-looking, but women were obsessed with him? It's because he owns his presence. He believes in himself, and that belief is contagious. When you walk into a room, you have two options. Shrink yourself, hoping nobody notices you, or own the space as if you belong there. Women can sense which one you are immediately. Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about knowing your value without needing validation. You don't have to be the loudest guy in the room. You don't have to flex. You just have to believe in yourself so deeply that others have no choice but to believe in you too. When you radiate confidence, women don't just notice you, they chase you. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, getting what you want from women isn't about tricks. It's about understanding psychology and self-worth. Men who chase, beg, and over-explain lose. Men who own their presence, set boundaries, and control their emotions win. When you start applying these principles, women won't just want you, they'll crave you. So, are you ready to step into that high-value version of yourself? If you found this video valuable, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe because we're only getting started.